Hey everybody, Kendra here, and welcome to my new listing in Fredericksburg, 1316 Teagan Drive. You can see this stately colonial end unit behind me. It's just soaking up the sun, right? Oh, it's a beautiful day out here. You have 2,500 square feet of luxurious perfection inside. Everything has been renovated. You have hardwood floors. You even have a gas stove. Sorry, my preference, but nothing tastes better than cooking on a gas stove. Right? Right. You have a fenced-in yard, which offers privacy and seclusion, especially if you have four-legged babies or two-legged babies running around. It's nice to kind of confine them, you know, if you're multitasking, doing laundry and all that other stuff. So without further ado, let me turn this around and let's go take a look. You are immediately greeted with gleaming hardwood floors as you walk in. And you can see this is the lower level, so you have your garage access there. Shut this front door. Beautiful windows, let that light permeate through. You can see the sun is drawing us into the rec area. And there you have it. Rack 'em up, boys. If you're looking for a home that has place where you can turn it into a rec area like this for game night, theater room for movie night, you have found it. I love how they have this set up. And then of course down here for your guests you do have a full bath, which is nice, so you don't have to be going all the way up and down stairs. Immediately you are invited outside into this beautiful day, fenced in area. Love that fireplace, but I'm not ready to take you out there yet. You gotta take a look at this. They have a wet bar area here. So you have sink, you have a little island area that you can serve your guests. You have a little cooler down here. Totally set up so you could entertain your guests. Host those game nights. The lower level has carpet, new carpet. Amazing cushion, by the way, underneath. And then out here you have a truck deck, which is awesome. And you can see all the landscaping that they have done. Beautiful fence. Beautiful. You can see their fireplace here. My favorite over here. They set this area up, which is perfect. Sit here, read a book, read the paper, drink a cup of coffee, or if you're a wine drinker, have a glass of wine, right? Right there, you can begin and end your days. And then up above you can see the patio, which will take you up there. All right, I'm gonna step down so I'm gonna make the camera jump a little bit. As you can see, you have so much space back here. You can put a play set if you wanted to. The walking trail is behind the fence, and just that way is the tot lot, so you're not far from little recreation for the little ones. But this is your outdoor entertaining area. Just feel that sun come in. I love the paint colors. Nice and light. Again, everything is just helping that light flow through here. Tall ceilings. You can see here. You have your fun stuff, right? Heating. You have a nice water heater. That's huge. lot of times you don't see sufficient water heater for a big house like this. They got it right. And you have carpet leading up here, so let's go on up and take a look. Yep, this is what I'm talking about right here. Ah, this would be my spot. Where's Kendra? Check her swing. Welcome to the main living area. So much room for activities and entertaining. This space is absolutely stunning and breathtaking. You can see that the gorgeous hardwood floors continue. The massive windows just help. That light has no problem getting pushed in. I love her soft color scheme. Everything just flows so nicely. Very calming. There's a little TV. You can see in the kitchen area, I love this. This just extends your dining room area into your living entertaining area. You have an eat-in kitchen. You have your island. Gorgeous granite. And that stainless just helps bounce that light off. Sunroom definitely has no problem keeping up its name today, letting that sun in. So much space. Check out your cupboards. You are not going to be in need of cupboard space. You are definitely covered with your cupboards. Say that fast 5 times. You have a nice pantry right there. And here's an awesome thing for you. Oh, first we gotta ignite Kendra. There we go. You have a gas burning stove. That is awesome and huge in itself right there. Nothing tastes better than cooking on gas. At least that's my preference. Beautiful space. You could just sit and just relax all day long. Nice quiet space. Beautiful fireplace. Love the mantle. Love the slate. And that is gas burning. You have your windows here again, just helping this sunroom earn its name. Great space. And here, you're invited out to the balcony where the birds sing and greet. Just got our plants. And here's a peek from the bleacher seats here of your backyard. Again, your gorgeous fireplace outside. That's neat. You can see the jog walking path going through the community. And then over there you can see the tennis courts, which also there's tot lots there. And I'll take you over there in a little bit. But this is also a great space for your morning cup of coffee, your evening glass of wine. Just listen to those birds sing. This is magnificent. Beautiful. Alright, let's head up to the bedroom level. Welcome to the bedroom level. Come on, let's go take a look at the master. Luxury did not stop down there. Luxury still continues. Welcome to the master suite. Here you're spoiled with tray ceilings. Again, that color palette continues up here into the master bath. You have your double vanities, his and hers. You have your separate throne room, which is awesome. Shut the door and continue with your business. Here is the shower. You can see it's tiled. Deep tub. That's awesome. That's awesome for soaking. I love this extension off of the master, the sitting room. Again, another private, secluded space. So much room in here. All the rooms in here are great size. Again, you have your massive windows up here, helping that sun come in. Hardwood floors. Tile floor in the bathroom. You can see that gleaming there as well. The sun definitely loves this end unit. And this is awesome. You have your walk-in closet. I won't go too far in there, but you can see it's ready for your already organized, ready to go. Love that window there. Here is your guest full bath. Love the colors here. Everything is so fun. I just feel great, you know? Refreshed. Puts a smile on my face. Upstairs laundry, that also puts a smile on my face. Right? We don't want to be going up and down stairs doing laundry. That is perfect. And then you have bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. They have this set up as their movie room. Perfect size. All right, there's one thing that I wanted to show you in here. I wanted to show you real quick how deep this tub truly is, okay? So I'm gonna demonstrate this for you. So, ready? I'm about to disappear. Calgone, take me away. Oh, this is awesome. Awesome! Definitely gotta get me one of these.